Hi, my name is Vidya Gomes, coming from Manipal, Mangalore. I think I'm one of the participant who's coming all the way from south to north to study NLP. And I'm heading the learning and development for Manipal Technologies Limited. Now, coming to this workshop, being from L&D background, NLP was one thing which was there since long in my mind, and I was thinking, देखना है क्या है NLP बहुत सुना है, and I wanted to do it. Uh, Luckily, I study came up with this course, and I got an opportunity. I thought, ठीक है, दूर जाके पढ़ाई करेंगे, so that I'm not disturbed with my routine work, and that's how I'm here in ISTD to learn NLP. One thing what has changed my mindset is that what I thought is routine, life just goes on, whatever happens just keeps happening. I think NLP has changed that thought ki it is in your hands to change whatever you want to change. So one important aspect what I will always remember is if a person wants to change, only then it is possible to change. So that need to change is very important. And the another aspect of NLP what I like is I think this learning will help me to, help others to bring change. Because starting from my family, my friend circle, my colleagues, I think we hear all these days we have spoken a lot about problems, challenges, we've been cribbing about things, aisa hota hai, waisa hota hai. But this technique has somewhere given me hopes that I can change it in myself, I can change it in my family. I have an old mother at home who's 80 plus, so you know how aged people. So she's going to be my first trial, and then of course my husband, and then my friends, colleagues. So I'm looking forward to see how NLP is going to change my life, and of course others. How am I going to help others? What the different techniques of NLP? What I've seen, I think it's really amazing because it builds the confidence in you. And the way the program is structured, when you see the demo sessions that have been happened, it helps you to learn, and it helps you to even learn from others' life. There's so many good things, there's so many bad things, and how you come out from these challenges. So I'm looking forward to this course and a lot of techniques, especially the swish, the the metaphor, and the sanctuary. And I think all these techniques are something which you can use it anywhere. It's not like you need rocket science. The only thing what matters is you need to have a need to change. So hopefully I can help. And pleasure pleasure to be part of session where Vinay and Preetham has been taken this session, because I think being a facilitator and trying to have 30 plus participants and engaging everybody, it's not easy. So hats off to them, and blessed to meet all these so many colleagues. So great workshop. Looking forward to NLP. Thank you.